What's going on, guys? Mcfgotmillk here. Welcome back to another auto video. Today I'll be showing you this top secret WD40 trick that you can do to your car and make it run 100 times better, I promise you. Before we start, make sure you click that like button and make sure you subscribe because again, it's free and it helps me out. This is gonna blow your mind when I tell you what you can do with this little can. Did you know you could put WD40 inside your engine? If you look on the can, it says it stops squeaks, removes and protects, loosens rusted parts, frees sticky mechanisms, last but not least, drives out moisture. So if you have an engine noise, don't know where the heck it's coming from, just open up your oil cap, spray some WD-40 in it. There you go, engine noise is done, it reduces noise. Got water in your engine? Don't worry, WD-40 removes and protects. Again, open up all your hatches, spray some WD-40 in there. Car's an old piece of crap, it loosens rusted parts. There you go. This one's not for your engine though. See, it says free sticky mechanisms. You know that weird pedal in the middle of your car where you step on it and it stops your car from going where you want to go? Well, if you got a problem, spray this all over your wheel well and it will stop the sticky mechanism and your car will go faster. Before I go any longer, please don't listen to me. This is just a joke. I thought it'd be pretty funny to see what you guys would think and what you guys would do. But do not take any of that advice. Do not put WD-40 on your wheels. Do not put WD-40 in your engine. I just want to have a good laugh with you guys. Nowadays, everybody takes everything so serious, so I decided to give you guys a little chuckle. If you guys laughed, let me know in the comments below. But I do want to say one crazy thing. Holy crap, we are growing. And I say we's because none of this would be possible without you guys. We've gained like 120, 130, even more than that, subscribers in the last week. That's insane. We also gained a total of what, 130,000 total views? Like, Jesus God, like what is going on? This video is mostly as a joke and as a big thank you to you guys for everything. And I, again, will keep on uploading as long as you guys want me to. And again, I find this fun. Excuse you. Again, I find this very fun. I love doing YouTube videos and I'm gonna keep on doing them either way. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, make sure you leave a like, comment below. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Again, don't put this in your engine.